The wearables maker Garmin has been hit by WastedLocker ransomware. The ransomware attack has halted normal contact center operations and disabled Garmin Connect services. Garmin Taiwan factories have also been forced to shut down their production lines in the wake of the attack. With an estimated $4 billion in annual revenue, Garmin is definitely a high-value target. At this time, the amount of the ransom being demanded is not known. However, recent WastedLocker demands have been for amounts ranging from $500,000 up to millions of dollars. It is expected that the demand in the case of Garmin will be among the larger ransoms sought by Evil Corp, the group behind WastedLocker. The Garmin website was updated with a message that stated that contact centers and other services are down due to an outage. However, reports from sources close to the company, including a leaked memo referencing a virus attack, have confirmed that this outage is due to the company's servers and databases being hit by WastedLocker ransomware. The advanced AI-based heuristics in Acronis Cyber Protect, along with the included behavioral detection, stop WastedLocker and other ransomware before it can spread and encrypt your files.